Okay guys, you're probably wondering why it took so long. It took me 2 hours. 2 hours from the last scene I'd done. So I've left my scene for a long time. And here, right about now, it's still really sticky. More Eric. Yeah. Basically more activator. When you're doing this total for 10 or 7 seconds, I've already said to you. But if you wanted to do this for a tutorial, it'll be good as well. Make sure I keep stunning. Go check my music.ly, my Instagram and that kind of stuff. My mum and dad don't know I'm doing this and they don't let me play with Airwick. Because my friend nearly broke her lungs. My friend got her lungs from Airwick, so they don't know I'm doing this. And they said that, but that's why I'm busy recording it. She breathed in Airwick. Okay, so I think that's it done. It looks done, but it's not done completely. Okay, so just keep stunning it. I think it's done. I'm just going to play about it. Very sticky. Not a bad itch. Every time I do something I get a really bad stitch or something like that. Make sure I didn't do a parent with you just in case. But I'm 11, so I can do it. Start playing around with it. So for the night, don't normally play with slime that often. Fudge. I might be getting a Labrador. Okay guys, I'm back and you're probably wondering what this room is. It's the bathroom. So my mum and dad won't hear me what I'm doing. I've got my assignment here, and see if you look at this bowl. See if you look at this bowl. It just got cleaned. This is really took me like 4 hours to make this because I went to go watch a movie first of all, and then I had to take my gran home, and then I had to come home and watch her other wee film, other wee programme from mum, and then I had to come here and do this again. So I'm just going to put the tap on so they can't hear me putting my, whatever it's called, on. Make sure when you're doing this you have an adult. Okay, it's all done now, so I'm just going to move my phone to here. Hi there. Okay, so, okay, I'm here and like, this video might be long enough, might be super long enough. So yeah, I'm basically done with my thing, but I'm just going to put a tiny more in, just in case. Okay, this I'm going to do back to. Ew, it's a bit of chocolate. So I'm back again. Just stirring it. Itchy eye. Here, I'm going back in. I'm going to flush the toilet. I'm going to flush the toilet. So like when I flush it, I make this big giant noise, and I can put activator in it. And then when I'm doing that, I can put the slime on the unit. So guys, it worked and it's just on the floor right now and I'm playing with it. Make sure when you're doing this you have like a wee tub, because see, and play with it like every day, because it will dry up and put airwick in it every day, so it like won't dry up, because the last one I made was so dry because I put any airwick in it. Okay, thanks for watching. Okay guys, hope you liked that video. If you want me to make more slimes, just comment down below and I will make more slimes. So this is just a slime, it's called Marty's slime. See, if you want me to go out and get more slimes, make more. I've won a giveaway from slime, so I'll show you that slime. Down below will be my Musically account, my Instagram account and my Snapchat account. Go follow all of them. Let's hit this to 10 subscribers. And this is my first video and I haven't done an introduction. Well, it's not my first video, it's just what I think it's my first video. And yeah, subscribe, like and hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you. So like, hit that subscribe button. Comment down below what you want me to do next. And I'm going to do some giveaways. But you need to live in Glasgow. Well, you need to live in... I'm not going to tell you. All my friends don't know who they are. The only people who I know and I know where they live will do it. So, I will see you soon guys. Bye. I'm sorry if I'm being a bit quiet, but